HNZENBW Mini RC Drone, 4K camera drone for beginners with altitude hold, 2 batteries and storage bag, height hold, headless mode for kids, adults. About this item. Dual cameras with electronic adjustment features a front camera with an electronically adjustable lens and a bottom camera. Switch perspectives freely mid-flight to capture wide, detailed aerial scenery without limits. Stable air pressure hovering. Uses pneumatic technology to maintain constant height, ensuring steady hovering for smooth photography and easy control, perfect for beginners. 360-degree stunt rolls and fancy flights. Perform thrilling 360-degree flip stunts in the air for exciting show-stopping aerial maneuvers. Smart trajectory flight and gesture control. Draw a custom flight path in the app to automate aerial photography, ideal for capturing cityscapes or landscapes. Take photos or videos with simple hand gestures, no complex controls required. One-click takeoff or landing. Start or land the drone with a single button. Ultra easy for new users. Headless mode eliminates directional confusion, making navigation intuitive for all skill levels. Bright LED lights and multi-speed modes. Dazzling LED lights make flights visible day or night, boosting safety and visual fun. Multiple speed settings, beginner to advanced, let you match flying speed to your skill level as you improve. High-speed image transmission and 50x zoom. Stream real-time HD footage to your phone via the app. Use 50x digital zoom to capture tiny details from up to 80 meters away.